Unit 5.7, we do practice. Which mechanism below is a valid mechanism for the reaction shown above? Explain your answer. So what we need to do is we need to combine each of the steps or all of the steps in each of these mechanisms to see if they yield the overall reaction shown on the top of this example. Our 2NO plus O2 gives us 2NO2. So let's start with mechanism 1. So we're going to go through and cancel any intermediates, so those species that occur on both the reactant and product side. And remember, your intermediates are going to show up first in the product side typically and then show up as a reactant. So I've got NO2 here that I can cancel as an intermediate. And then I also have this oxygen here that I can cancel as an intermediate. So I'm going to take a look and see if there's any other intermediates or catalysts that I need to be aware of, and there are not. So when I combine this, so I'm going to combine everything that's left over. So I've got 2NO plus NO on my reactant side. So that's going to give me 3NO gas. And that's it for my reactants. So now on my product side, I've got 2 NO2s, and that is it. So I'm going to have 2 NO2 gas. So that is my overall reaction for mechanism 1, and it does not match that this reaction up here. So mechanism 1 is out. That is not likely to be the valid mechanism for the reaction shown above. So let's go on and do the same thing for our mechanism 2. So we're going to cancel all of our intermediates. So I've got NO3 here. That's a product and then a reactant. And that's it. I have no other intermediates. So now I'm going to combine what is left. So I have NO in my step 1 and step 2. So that's going to be 2NO gas. And I also have my O2 left over as a reactant. So just O2 gas. And then on my product side, the only thing I have left over is my 2NO2 gas. And this reaction 2NO gas plus O2 gas gives me 2NO2 gas, matches this nicely. So mechanism 2 is going to be my valid mechanism for the reaction shown above. And so besides just stating which mechanism, we also have to justify our answer. So our second mechanism is going to be valid for the valid overall reaction for the reaction shown above. Because the stoichiometry of mechanism 2 matches the stoichiometry of the reaction provided.